Hi, how are you doing? And welcome to another episode of Cooking in the Cave. I'm Chef Jarvis.
And I'm Chef Jimmy. And today what we're going to be making is a chocolate turtle bite. And what we're going to start off with is a little bit of the caramels. Go ahead and get that into a nice warm pot. We're going to start getting that melted out.
To help melt it, we're actually going to add a little bit of heavy cream.
Start at around pretty slow and low. You don't want to burn this caramel before it gets melted in. So once we have the caramel melted down, what we're going to do is just go ahead and add in just a little bit of Rice Krispies. And then we're going to add in some chopped pecans. Give that a good stir and let that get nice and sticky on you.
All right, so after you've incorporated everything, now it's time for the fun part.
Now we're just going to take some nice small scoops of it, get them onto a lined and sprayed sheet pan.
And then we're going to set these in the refrigerator once we finish scooping and allow them just to harden back up. So while the caramel balls are cooling down, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna melt some chocolate to go on top. So this is a double boil of just water. We'll take our chocolate, put in the bowl, and then we'll take just a little bit of shortening to add into it to help the chocolate melt smooth.
So once you pull those out of the refrigerator, it's gonna be nice and got a little firmness to it. And then, of course, you gotta put the chocolate right on top of it. So there's two different ways we could do this. You could take it, just dip it right on top, give it a little bit of a swirl, come up, and then come back down with it. And then the other way we can do it is just put a nice little drizzle right over the top of it.
And after you dip a drizzle, then it goes back into the refrigerator to allow the chocolate to set, and then we can garnish.
All right, so once we took it out of the refrigerator, now that the chocolate is set, we're gonna go ahead and garnish with a little bit of pecans on top. And then we're gonna serve it with a nice hot cup of coffee. And now, the best part, we get to try it.
This is awesome. The sweetness from the caramel, the crunch from the Rice Krispie treats, and the pecan.